this is really important. There's a QR code above my head, and you're allowed one vote per person per car. And you need to pick just one car that's very tough, but one car, you get one. Number 44 is
the cat eye.
The cat eye taillights. That is cool. Wow. You have fun in this thing?
Yeah, we enjoy it.
Have you been to the River Car Show before?
Yes, I have. Yes. This is my fourth show.
The fourth show. Come on, man. That's awesome. Great to have you back. Ford Mustang. So tell us your name and talk a little bit about your car.
My name is Richard Clark. What I have here is a GT Premium. It has a JLT N6 Series 3, 20-inch MMD wheels. And we also have the custom games on top here. We have calipers that are all the same. And then I went and did decals. And then I also plan on doing a supercharger here soon.
All right, doing the supercharge. Let's walk around your car real quick. You got the lime green calipers, automatic. It's awesome. Black is the best looking clean car that there is. How long you had the car?
I've had it since about probably November last year.
So the next step is supercharger, more power.
Right.
Awesome. Well, thanks for coming to the River Car Show. Have you been here before?
No, this is actually my first time.
Okay, how do you like it? Okay, number 51. Number 51. Wow, 1957 Chevy Nomad. And I'm gonna get one of my guys to move that heater real quick. Come on over here so they can see this color of blue. Navy blue. Number 46. Okay. Number 46 right here. Oh, lightning. Come on, man. This is awesome. Tell us about